Hi guys, David here. In today's video I want to talk to you about the FlashQ triggers and how you can pair them. Okay, so I created a lot of videos, a couple videos on the FlashQ triggers in the past, but I wanted to create this video just showing you how to pair them. Because I know a lot of people have lost maybe the directions on how to pair them, and so that's why I want to make this quick video showing you how you can pair them. This is the original FlashQ triggers. I didn't upgrade to they have the version 2 now. I've had it for several years now, but I've never upgraded just because I like the idea of having, just being able to replace the battery real quick instead of having to charge them. Because I use these a lot when I'm traveling or on vacation or something, because I can throw these things in the bag real easy. Because look how small those are. So you just basically have your transmitter and receiver. I have the pack that has 2 receivers, but it's going to be the same thing when you're pairing them. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you're going to pair them. You're basically we're going to turn these off. We're going to hold down the power button. Turn them off, 3 seconds, and then the green light will appear. That's off. Same thing with the transmitter here. We're going to power that off. It's green, it's off. So we're going to start by taking the transmitter and powering that back on. So I press the power button, hold it 3 seconds, it's green. Now it's flashing different colors. So that's ready. And then we're going to hold down the power button and the test button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now it should, now it should be blue, and it should be blinking blue. So if it doesn't do that, I would redo it again until you get a blinking blue light. So that's the transmitter, and that one's ready. And while that's still going and blinking, we are going to pair up the receiver, which I'm going to do right now. Now it's blinking blue. Now they're both blinking blue, so they should be paired. So now I'm going to take the transmitter and hit the test button. Yep, so every time I hit the test button, it's showing a red light on the transmitter at the same time as it's showing on the receiver. So that's all you have to do to pair up your FlashQ triggers. So if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.